Thanks for watching my video, and I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. And if you stay to the end, I have a fun fact for you about home buyers. Home buyers, what should you look for when you are searching for a buyer's agent? Should you pick the first name you find? No. Should you Google them? Yes. Should you see how many sales they have had in the last year? Yes. Should you look for someone with a great personality and that is happy and motivated? Yes. Should they be a full-time realtor so they will have time for you? Yes. But the top 5 things you should look are listed below. Buckle up, future homebuyer, because choosing the right buyer's agent is kind of a big deal. Not quite naming your firstborn big, but pretty close. So let's take a deep dive, bring your snorkel, into the 5 most important things you should look for when picking the perfect partner to help you snag that dream home. And hey, spoiler alert, I'd love the chance to be that partner. Experience that actually matters, not just years on a business card. Anyone can say they've been in real estate forever, but what you really want is someone who knows the local market like their own backyard, understands pricing trends, hidden gems, and neighborhoods you didn't even know existed, can spot a lemon house faster than you can say unexpected repair costs. A seasoned agent can save you money, time, and headaches, and that's priceless when you're making one of the biggest purchases of your life. Communication that doesn't leave you guessing. If an agent takes 3 days to text back, imagine how long negotiations might take. You deserve someone who is quick to respond, clear and honest, able to explain things in real people language, not secret real estate code. Your agent should be your guide, your translator, and occasionally your therapist. Hey, house hunting is emotional. Negotiation skills, sharper than a Ginsu knife. This is where the magic happens. A great buyer's agent knows how to get you the best price, strategically negotiate repairs or credits, position your offer so it stands out in competitive situations. A smooth talker won't cut it. You need a strategist or a network that works for you. Your agent should come with a treasure chest of trusted pros, lenders, inspectors, insurance companies, title agencies, contractors, good connections, fewer headaches, faster closings, and people who actually show up when they say they will. Someone who works for your best interests, not just the sale. The right agent puts you first. Always. Look for someone who is loyal, ethical, not afraid to tell you, nope, that house is a money pit. Keep looking. Willing to walk away from a deal if it's not right for you. Because your agent shouldn't just find you a home, they should help you find the right one. Here is the fun fact I promised. Buyers typically walk into a home and know within 7 seconds whether it feels right. Yep, your gut has a faster internet connection than your phone. And now the fun part. I'd love to interview for the job. If you're house hunting on the Space Coast or just thinking about it while binge-watching home tours, I'd be honored to be your buyer's agent. Let's chat, laugh a little, strategize a lot, and get you into a home you love. Email margarettklein@exprealty.com. Call or text 321-480-7662. Website https Margarett sells dream homes. YouTube. Home tours http.youtube.com at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Whenever you're ready, I'm here. Motivated, caffeinated, and ready to help you find the place where your next chapter begins.